I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let that thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard, girl, everything paid for. First, last phone bill, car, no cable. With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable.
Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm just back with another tutorial, and yeah, so I decided to film this cute little look for you guys. As you can see, I didn't do it too crazy because, you know, when you look up for festival makeup or whatever, it always come up with those, you know, extra like all these lines and dots, and I love them, but realistically, going to a festival and you're outside, you're gonna be sweating and all of that. Don't nobody want all this product on their face, like, but I know I don't, but I don't know, but I'm just saying. So if I were to go to a festival or something, this is the amount of makeup I would put on. This is something cute, you know. I'm still in, oops. But yes, if you guys want to know, and this is sorry, this is a top from my swimwear collection. I just decided to wear it because it gave me like a little festival kind of look. So yeah, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box if you guys want to know how to get this or whatever. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media. It's gonna be on the screen somewhere, whatever. And yeah, let's get into the video now. So I was just gonna try and do this little creative festival look, and I just decided to film with it. So my eyebrows are already done, and I moisturized my face with my Nivea Post Shave Balm. It's been like really, well, it's not really that cold, but it's been a little cold outside, so I'm gonna add some of this oil on my face just so it could help really. So let's start this little tutorial. I got braids, guys. I know I came on here and I'm talking and I didn't even say anything, but yeah. But okay, so if y'all remember this little concealer, I said foundation. If y'all remember this little concealer that I got, it was kind of lighter than my skin tone. So I'm just gonna be using this to prep my eyeshadows, because I'm not gonna throw it out if we can do that at least. And I'm just taking some of that Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna, you know, set that concealer. This palette, right? I'm gonna try and go for a look that is more like universal, natural type. I went in with this color, the second color, and yeah, so after I finish using that color, I'm gonna go in with the second color, and I'm just gonna, you know, it's like an orangey brown color, and I'm mixing those two together, and I'm just gonna go like in the middle like this. But pretty much this is all I'm gonna do for the eye part, like eyeshadow wise. Actually, I'm gonna add a little tiny dab of this this highlighter I have right here. You see this thing? I'm gonna use a little bit. It's like a creamy highlighter, and I'm gonna use a little bit right here. Can you guys see? I'm gonna add a little bit. I zoomed in so you guys could see. A little bit. Like this. And I'm just moving it so it could give it like a little glow. like this. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So then I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Please recognize I'm trying. Okay, so I'm doing my liner now. And I'm taking my time to do this because okay, so I'm just doing my liner and it's not gonna be, you know, crazy and stuff. So I'm going in with my, you know, foundation. Yay. Going in with my beauty blender. Oh, actually, the beauty blender is damp, so y'all don't forget that. And I'm actually gonna go back with my eyeliner and go over it because you know the glue went everywhere. So I just want to fix that a bit. You know I need too much attention for shit like that. This concealer is what I've been using lately, and it's great, honestly. In my bag now, in my bag now. Where the fuck is that now? Wiggy with the hoodie. Y'all see how like easy this blends? Like a little, like I only use like one pump. Like I did not dip it back in. But yeah, so I'm not really like gonna bake because lately I haven't felt the need to bake. So yeah, I'm gonna go with this and I'm gonna my little brush and I'm gonna just brush that powder off with my whatchamacallit, my True Match L'Oreal powder. Mantic. And then taking this beautiful brush that I absolutely love. I stopped using like the creamy concealer and then going into powder. I've been using just powder and I feel like it gives me more of the look that I want. So I'm just gonna, you guys see? Like it don't look bad. Like I don't see the point of caking my face when it's gonna be all hot outside. Like no, that's a whole dub. You're gonna be sweating. That's good. My time with you, my. I love this song. And you know, the regular contour your nose with this beautiful little brush. This is a contouring brush, but I think it's honestly, yeah, it says contour on it, but I'm just gonna assume it was made for nose because that's what I've been using it for. Like this. Cute, right? Yeah. So then that's when the fun festival look is actually gonna start. I'm going in with my Sonia Kashuk blush, and I'm just gonna, you know, put that on top of what I put on my face just to kind of like set it in a way. Like, is it giving me a highlight right now? That's crazy. And I'm just gonna add some of that blush right here like I did. After I do this, right, I'm gonna take my I'm gonna use my Dior highlighter, okay? And you know, I lost my highlighter brush, but it's okay, we can do it out. And I'm just gonna dab like this. Ooh, you guys, like, this is so cute. But I'm just gonna gently add it. I don't want it to be harsh or nothing. And I'm gonna bring it up here, kind of. I don't want it to look too crazy, but yes, like this. Okay. I'm gonna add some on the bridge of my nose. Cute! And some right here. But yes, after this, I'm gonna set my face with the Mario Badescu thing. Oops. Did you guys hear that? I think I just knocked everything down. So, take it. Naked, naked, naked. So pretty much, we're gonna do 3 big dots and then add like are they on mine? I don't know. And in between, we're gonna put tiny, tiny little dots. I think it's not like, I don't think it's lined up, but it's okay. I'm so lost. I don't know what to do now. So, oh yeah. So while we're doing this, I want to add like little freckles all over my face because and don't worry, if you mess up and you do a big dot, wait for it to dry and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So, oh god, I'm doing a bunch of crazy ones. Alright, we're going to wait for them to dry and fix it. Okay, so I have a bunch of big ones on my face because this stupid thing don't want to work anymore. So, okay, so since it doesn't want to work, we're going to wait. We're going to wait for it to dry. And while we're waiting, we're going to add, gems. So these are, where did I get this? I think I got this on Walmart, and they're like, oops, it fell. They're like sticky, like they stick by themselves. So we're gonna pick them up. Ah, god damn it. I love you, baby. It's quite alright, I need you. Yo, this is like a pain in my butt. So, I did tell you guys I'm going to teach you guys how to get rid of the thing. So, you know, like the end of a spoolie or in a thingy, you know, this part. And you're just going to scrub it off like this. You see? Did you guys see that? You guys see how it's like toning down and stuff? You guys know the combo already. I'm doing all of this. I'm gonna put this all over my lips. And I feel like right here is missing. Something is missing, so I'm gonna add something like. So add it right here. So I'm gonna add it right here.
I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long. You been inside, know you like to lay low. I've been peeping what you bringing to the table. Working hard.